foodies, welcome to Foodland. Many times we think of instant breakfast, and here is the recipe for instant breakfast. This is made of semolina and very spongy and soft, healthy recipe. I served with chutney, and let's start with the recipe. For the instant spongy rava dosa, we need 1 cup of rava, which is suji or semolina, half a cup of thick poha paste, and half a tablespoon of baking soda, and we need some oil and water, approximately 2 cups. Okay, so let's soak the semolina and poha. So I'm adding half a cup of water in semolina and about 1/4 cup of water in poha. Little bit more. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes are over. I made my green chutney in the meantime. Now let's add the poha and rava in the mixing jar. And add some water and let's grind this. Okay, so as you can see, it's a smooth paste here. Let's add some more water, just like dosa consistency. Let's add salt and baking soda. So this batter is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so heat up the skillet and add some water. This won't be a crispy dosa, it's kind of a thick dosa. Add some oil on the side. A spongy dosa, so as you can see the bubbles are there. Just flip it to the other side. And this dosa is done. I have added coconut oil for that beautiful flavor. So this is how it looks. Nice and soft spongy dosa. So there you go, this was quick and easy instant rava dosa. Look at this sponginess. This is very soft and fluffy. As you can see, you can have it with chutney, sambar or anything like that. So this is a quick breakfast recipe for me. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.